My name is Madeline. Welcome to my YouTube. Today I am going to attempt some magnetic eyelashes, which these guys have always given me an issue, and I'm here to try to solve it. I'm gonna do just like a simple foundation and eye look. I want to go for something that's pretty natural, and yeah, and then I want to pop these on. I ordered these from Amazon, and they are I think that's a ZOIBV, something like that. So yeah, okay, let's get going. So first I'm gonna take my Almay TLC Truly Lasting Color in the shade Naked, and I'm super pale right now, so that is what I use in the winter. And in the summer, if I get any color, I will definitely go a shade darker. So, I have my foundation on, and I actually use blush from the James Charles by Morphe palette, which mine is kind of gross, but this is it. It's definitely got some good use. And I usually go in, I think the shade is, let's see, Hello, this is shade. It's not descriptive, but it's this shade right here, the kind of like pinky one. And I always use that for my blush because I've been really into just kind of like a sun-kissed, I don't know, like blush look. Like, we're not trying to look embarrassed over here, but we are trying to put a little more color and warmth into the skin. Put a little on your nose, a little on the forehead area. And that's really all I do. And then today I really want to go in like with neutral color, just like a warm orange brown. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my crease. It's a lot of makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna put that in my crease. I know this looks intense, but it will come together, I promise you. So I have like my kind of like base color, and also if you don't have a ton of, I think they call it like real estate to work with, landscape, whatever. Like I don't really have that much space between my eye and my eyebrow. A lot of product goes a long way, and yeah. When we add darker colors on the eyelid, it's gonna make it look less intense, and of course once I do my eyebrows, everything kind of comes together. So next, I think I'm gonna use this shade right here next to the dark brown. I leave my plastic on so it doesn't, the pigment just doesn't go everywhere. So who watched The Bachelorette? Because that was crazy. I'm not trying to spoil anything, but like that was legit nuts. And now they're broken up, and it's like, did everybody see it coming? Because I did. I feel bad for her though. Obviously she really wants like that kind of like love relationship and to just settle down, and I don't blame her. I would too, but it seems like a lot. It just seems kind of like a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and I just want to add a bit of like some glitter to the eye. So this palette's really nice because it does have a lot of options for that. And I'm gonna use this one right here. And just add some highlight. Woo! Would you look at that? Look at that. That's so exciting. Does anybody else just get really excited when like your eye is just like coming together? Okay. I really am going for a soft glam. That's kind of what I love to do, especially if I'm bored and I just want to play around with my makeup. Because like, I know we're in quarantine, but like you can still have fun, right? So I'm gonna take just the excess of the product from my main brush and just gently go below my eye. I'm trying not to get like a black eye out of this, but we'll see. So like just the smallest amount. Yeah, just a little. I don't know why I have to open my mouth so much, but I do. So yeah, okay. So the base is kind of done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows just to kind of shape up what we are working with. Okay, so I take my slanted eyebrow brush and I use a dark pomade. I honestly feel like I could go darker. So we shall see how this looks. I don't know what it is lately, but I kind of want to dye my hair black. I think it might just be like the winter of everything. Or it's like my love of Carly Bible and I'm like, oh, should I do that? Because I'm also a brunette. You know? It's on my mind, it's on my mind. So my friends and I from school are currently planning, we'll call it a Friendsentine because it's not really Galentine's Day because it's gonna be me, my friend Amon, and my friend Trent, and we're just gonna have a little Zoom sesh for the holiday. So my angle here is a bit weak, so I'm just gonna go back in. Sorry, I have to do both the mirror and the video because otherwise I get so confused. And honestly, I feel like I should blend it out maybe a bit more. Or sometimes if my eyeshadow I feel like gets a bit messy in the corner, I will do like a little crease with just my foundation and a brush. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I feel like it's like intense and it's not at the same time. It's just, I don't know, I just like to clean it up. I think it looks nicer. So I'm just gonna go in as if like you're below the wing and just drag. Honestly, I just use my finger to just kind of like blend the product out. So it's not such a harsh line. I'm really excited. My grandparents are getting their vaccines today. I'm very excited for them. They're in their like 80s, so COVID has been really hard on them and I know that. So I'm really, really excited for them because then at least like, then they can come see us and hang out. It was such a crazy year. So I think I'm really optimistic for 2021 and I just think we're on the tail end of, you know, kind of like the, what do you call it after an explosion, like the remnants. We're just kind of cleaning up what's been, what happened. So yeah, so I'm really excited for the vaccine and hopefully we can kind of just keep going and get over this, you know? So now I'm gonna take a lipstick and just go over my lips that are covered in foundation. I love liquid liner and I think I'm gonna do that before I put on the magnetic liner because I always wear a wing. So I'm just gonna follow the inside of this line. I don't wanna go below the crease. I'm just gonna go right on top at the very edge of it. So excuse me, I might have to look in the mirror for this one. Okay, so now it's for the really difficult part and I'm really nervous. I'm also excited. I think fake eyelashes look good on literally everybody but me, and I know I'm probably just doing it wrong, so here we go. I read the instructions and they do say to fit the lash to your eyes, so I just cut off one small section. I'm very scared. I heard you're supposed to, when you line it, you're supposed to let it, or put on your eyelashes before it's totally dry. And I think it dries pretty fast, so I'm gonna give this a go. I know this eyeliner does not come off very easily, so I'm gonna try to do it as precisely as possible. Go ahead in and try. So let's see. Ooh. Okay. It's happening. Okay, that's literally all I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if this will work. I have no idea. I hope it's not too long. We'll see. I feel like I'm like so up high. Sorry, this is just how I do my makeup. I didn't realize I do so many crazy angles, but I think it's because I'm not closing my eye, but I have to get my eye to be flat. Okay, so there's definitely a little bit more on my left eye, so I'm gonna put a little bit more on my right. Woo. Okay, so before it dries completely, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my lashes. And I don't love their applicator tool because, so they're magnetic lashes and they gave me a metal applicator and I'm like, y'all, that's not gonna work. It sticks to the little, I'll show you guys. It sticks to this. So it's like super hard to get off. So here's my eyelash right here. And I just cut off a little bit, so it's definitely shorter than it was, and I can already feel this drying, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to apply this and pray that all goes well. Good, I think I did it. Hey, that doesn't look bad, right? Okay, I have eyelashes, what's up? Okay, oh my god, I have some eyelashes, guys. I do. I don't know how good this will wear throughout the day. Yo. Alright, again, I'm just literally gonna do it with my hand because the applicator is not my favorite. Let's see. Yo, what's good? Okay, so I reapplied and they work. This is wild. Honestly, I feel like they look so natural. It's really kind of throwing me off. Like, I don't feel like I look crazy, and I cut them on purpose because, so my eye is very, it's hooded, right? So like you can see that clearly. So when you have hooded eyes, it's easy, like, I don't know, I wouldn't put the eyelash on the whole width of the eye because I think that's when it begins to look a little bit like wonky. So if you focus on the outer like corner of your eye, that's when it works. And I'm really excited actually. I don't even know what to do with my hair now. Yeah, I love it though. Like, look at that. That's kind of exciting. I have always wanted eyelashes, but I didn't want them to look fake. And like this actually looks, I would say pretty real, like natural. And I always wear a winged liner anyways, so for me, this doesn't look crazy. Like, I look like this anyways, but I don't have eyelashes, so yeah, I'm definitely feeling it. I am shocked, I am excited, and yeah, so give them a try for sure. It wasn't that difficult. I do not recommend using this. I think that's why I had such a difficult time before actually, because this is magnetic. Your eyelashes will stick to this and then they will not go on your eyelids. So like, of course, right? So, well, I'm gonna go to Urban Outfitters now because I got a really beautiful candle that broke in the mail. So yeah, guys, have a great day. And I'll make more videos soon. Okay, bye.